Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, karibu sana, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always clicking to watch my videos. I love you so much and I appreciate your support. So guys, we are back. We are back in the kitchen. Like, we're finally back. It's finally time we prepare something nice, and so I'm here to show you the simplest way to make the softest and the sweetest cinnamon mandazis in African tea, perfect for your breakfast. Okay, sit back, relax and enjoy. On to our ingredients, we have flour, we have sugar, we have salt, we have margarine, we have baking powder, we have cinnamon, yes, cinnamon powder, yeah, and we have vanilla essence for flavor, of course, and we have milk, and we have a bowl where we'll be mixing everything. We'll start by adding 2 cups of flour, then add our sugar, a pinch of salt, baking powder, cinnamon, of course, it's our main ingredient here, and then we mix our dry ingredients first before adding the wet ingredients. Okay, so we will mix our milk and put our vanilla essence and put that aside as I'm doing on the video. Then we'll take a spoon of margarine and mix it with the dry ingredients first, and use your fingers, right? Yeah, use your fingers to mix that first, and then we can now come in with our wet ingredients, that's milk and of course vanilla essence. We mix that and make a perfect dough.
I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky.
Once we've mixed everything together, don't forget to add cooking oil to make it softer, to make the dough softer. Yeah, and remember, hii si kama ya chapo, isikuwe ngumu. Make sure it's soft. Yeah, so we are going to leave it here for like 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes, however you want it, to make it even. I don't know the right term to use, but to make sure even, let it rest there before we come and prepare. We come and cook it, and before then, as I'll be preparing my tea, and so it's nothing much. It's just water, milk, some tea leaves and sugar. Yeah, and that's perfect. You know, lazima ukule mandazi na African tea ndo idonjo, right? Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Yeah, 1 hour later, our dough is ready, and so I'm just going to be dividing this into equal parts, and yeah, tuendelee na kupika. So that's what I'm doing, dividing the dough into 3 equal parts. I make the balls, and then the balls are ready, so it's now time to roll. Remember, hii si kama ya chapo, please don't make it thin, make it thick. Yeah, so roll it and then cut it into your preferred shapes. For me, I went with triangles, but nilifika mahali nikachoka and I went with rectangles and squares, every shape. Yeah, so that's me checking whether the oil is ready and putting toothpicks, of course. Kama hujui toothpicks ni za nini, you need to see me behind the tent. Yeah. I know the OGs know why we use toothpicks. Yeah, so it's time to dip our what is it called, our triangles and squares and rectangles, everything into the oil, and cook them for few minutes, like 2-4 minutes, until they turn brown, until they are ready. I know you know the color of mandazis, so yeah, that's what we are doing right there.
Last I got that sinking in my...
And voila, just like that, our mandazis are ready. Let me tell you guys, ile utamu iko hapa ha. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as I did. I had missed cooking mandazis, and I did. So guys, tell me in the comment section whether you're going to be trying this recipe, whether you like it, what you think about it. Yeah, guys, tell me all that and tell me whether this was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. See you on the next one. Bye bye.